Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lunex network token. Ticker symbol is LNEX. Now this token is live for pre-sale on their webpage lunexnetwork.com. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at Lunex Network. It says Lunex Network is a next generation Web3 DeFi crypto exchange enabling instant cryptocurrency purchases, sales, and swaps through our non-custodial application. They just joined Twitter June 2024. They have a 7,216 followers already. 46 tweets, pretty active on the socials here, and then there is a link to their webpage where you can find the pre-sale there, lunexnetwork.com. So in their pinned tweet here it says, Lunex Network pre-sale now live. Don't miss your chance to be an early adopter to the next big thing in DeFi. Swap, stake, and unlock exclusive rewards with the LNEX tokens. Get your tokens before they sell out. And then it has a link to their webpage as well. So it says, new week, new milestones, another week, another set of achievements. We continue to break milestones thanks to our amazing community. The future of DeFi is here and we are just getting started. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. So if you follow the socials here, you're going to see more updates. They also have a Telegram you can follow at Lunex Network that has 1,286 members. 180 of them are online. And yeah, so the pre-sale here, right now it says stage 3, and there is a countdown, basically 6 days, 12 hours, 42 minutes till the next price increase. And if you wanted to get this token here, you connect your wallet, and you could pay with Ethereum, with ETH, BNB, USDT, Solana, Visa, MasterCard. There's all sorts of different ways, but let's say you have a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet or a Coinbase wallet. You'd fund that wallet, say, with ETH. Connect your wallet. You put in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how much LNEX tokens you get for that amount. And then you just, purchase the tokens. It says you could stake your tokens as well, too. And basically how these pre-sales work is the earlier you get in, the cheaper it is. The price increases as the stages go on. They do have a how to buy section, and they have a claim section, a calculator. They also have a section here. It says you could win prizes. It says 500K. And then it says powering cross-chain transactions with seamless liquidity. So you can find the pre-sale at lunexnetwork.com. It's right at the top of the page, real easy to find, along with their Instagram, Medium articles, Telegram, their Twitter, and powered by OpenAI, Ethereum, MySQL, and Fireblocks. So those are their partners there. So it says, Lunex is disrupting the DeFi world with our interconnected ecosystem. We aim to provide users with effortless cross-chain asset transfers, fast, secure, and non-custodial. They've been seen in different news articles. That's where I first saw this token here. They've been featured in Coinpedia, Yahoo Finance, Benzinga, U-Today, and CoinCodex. So they do have a full white paper if you want to check that out as well. So Lunex is a Web3 multi-chain bridge network leveraging a non-custodial protocol for instant cross-chain transactions. By accessing deep liquidity and enabling seamless asset transfers across different blockchains, Lunex offers a cost-efficient, scalable alternative to traditional central exchanges for DeFi traders and liquidity providers. So they're cross-chains. They have a bunch here: BNB, ETH, Avax, Sol, etc. So it says decentralize, unlocking crypto liquidity and eliminating central control for more transparency and faster transaction speeds. Connect, seamless integration across multiple blockchains, offering in excess of 50,000 cryptocurrency pairs. Empowering user privacy with control and autonomy over their own private keys. Now, if you need help, there is a chat box in the corner of the screen there. It says Let's Chat. You can click on that, and there's going to be a help box pop up. So they are secure. Each transaction is 100% secure and executed through smart contracts, which are transparent and immutable. Reward program. Each cashback rewards on every earn cashback rewards on every transaction. You can also receive passive income rewards for staking your Lunex tokens for a predefined time period. Lower fees. Because of unlimited liquidity, you can trade thousands of cryptocurrencies with tight spreads, zero slippage, and the fastest execution. And governance. Use your Lunex tokens as governance tokens in the community and vote on key decisions. The more tokens you have, the more votes you could submit. All transactions are processed via smart contracts, removing the use of automated market makers, making each trade fast and slippage free. And you can earn while holding as well. So earn passive income by holding LNEX. Presale holders can stake LNEX to earn rewards through our revenue sharing mechanism and staking program, offering a fixed APY based on lockup periods. Exchange and Swap, a limitless multi-chain decentralized exchange supporting 50,000 currency pairs. It's simple, fast, no third-party wallet connection required, and custody-free. The key appeal of Lunex lies in its decentralized nature, where orders and trades are automatically executed via smart contracts. Swap cryptocurrencies cross-chain instantly and cheaply. Order execution through smart contracts with 0% slippage and fastest transaction speeds with institutional liquidity. They have a non-custodial crypto wallet as well, a portfolio tracker, and also a Lunex card, which is kind of like a, looks like a debit card here with a number. And then they have, the utility for the token is basically discounts, rewards, currency, and staking. It's split up by 50% of the tokens going to presale, 4% cashback reserve, 4% marketing, acquisitions, and partnerships, 24% ecosystem, 6% team, 12% liquidity and listing reserves. And this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. It is an ERC20 token, 18 decimal places, ticker symbol LNEX. So go check this token out, lunexnetwork.com. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.